this video, you know how you can use ChatGPT to get these results, using pictures in ChatGPT to solve challenges, how to create images with Dall-E integration, how to use data from today with live browsing, and how to have conversations with ChatGPT. These new features will really revolutionize how we use Google today and in the future AI tools like ChatGPT. So let's start with the new feature ChatGPT Vision or ChatGPT Image. If you like to start this up in the desktop version, you just go to default and then you have this icon over here. And then you can start uploading images and try to solve problems or use it for other kind of stuff. On the mobile version, it looks like this. You can pause the video to see how it works. So I push this and then I go to a picture. Let me see. Yes, okay. So can you help me to improve this? Okay, this is nice. So I just added a still of a video of me doing handstand walking. And it says, it looks like you're working on a handstand. Here are some general tips to improve your handstand. And it gives me tips. So I think this is a cool feature because now you can upload stuff to ChatGPT and ask how you can improve or ask what it is or etc. etc. And I think this is very cool because instead of typing or saying it, you now can just upload a visual, and a visual says 1,000 more things than words. So it's easier to understand for the program and give you the right solution. Another cool thing that you can do with ChatGPT Vision is writing or drawings. You can upload it to ChatGPT and it will create a digital version of it. So I'll show you now how you can do this. So now I've uploaded a handwritten piece of myself, which is kind of a doctor's handwriting or maybe Egyptian handwriting. And I ask it, okay, can you write out the text that you see? So this is the text. Let's see if it can find what it says. Okay, let me see if it's right. AI Adventures Insights. Stay updated about AI for your business and for marketing. Wow. Subscribe to AI Adventures Insights. So even with this kind of writing, it understands what it is. And you can just copy it and use it. I don't know why it says it's code. Well, maybe it's insulting me now, but it's not code. It should come out as a text. By the way, if you'd like to stay updated about using AI in your business or daily life, please subscribe to the AI Advanced Insights, where I share every week 3 updates about AI that only cost you 2 to 3 minutes to read or to listen to. Another practical thing that you can use this new feature for is finding some stuff. So for example, I upload an image. I don't know where it is. So I ask, can you tell me where this picture is taken? This is a picture of one of my holidays and it says, sorry, I cannot help with it. And if you guess, this is awesome. It thinks it's Barichara, Colombia, which it is, and that's cool. So it can be from everywhere around the world where you have colonial buildings, but it really recognizes that it's somewhere from Latin America. I don't know how they do it again, but this is in Barichara, Colombia. This summer I was there with my family and it guessed it correctly. So this is a feature that you can use to find stuff, or if you don't know what it is, you can just ask what it is. And that's the cool thing about using this AI. So if you'd like to learn more about ChatGPT Vision or Image, you can watch the video over here where I go into depth and show you 6 or 7 examples how you can use ChatGPT Vision in a practical way. You can watch it over there. Later on in this video, I will show you how you can have conversation with ChatGPT. But first, let's go to the other image feature of ChatGPT, and that is ChatGPT Dall-E, where you can create now inside ChatGPT visual. So text to visual. You just write down a text and you create a stunning visual. Let's go to ChatGPT. So to switch it on, you go to this one and then you have the Dall-E features. Of course, this is in ChatGPT Plus. And here we can write down, okay, create a T-Rex. So now it's creating, and the cool thing about this is that you don't need to leave ChatGPT to create an image in, for example, Midjourney or in Dall-E itself. You can now do it inside of ChatGPT, and I think that's the future of these kind of tools, that you can do more of it in the same program instead of using all kinds of different programs. And let's see if these things that it creates, if it's kind of the same level of Midjourney. I've also created an in-depth video about using Dall-E integration in ChatGPT. You can watch it over there. But first, watch this video. So it created something. Let's see what it does. So I can click on it and there it's open. Here you can see the prompt. You can copy the prompt. It's so weird. This is so weird. It's almost psychedelic. Then we have this one. This is not what I was searching for. This is weird. And well, this is also funny. But let's go for this one. This was in my mind. And here you can download the image if you like it. Not this image. Let's go to this image. And there you have it. Okay, let's see if it can change. So what I do mostly in Midjourney, I like this picture and then I want some alternation of it. So I ask, okay, can you create from the first picture? So the first picture is this, because if you click on this, then this is the second, the third. So this is how it works. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, can you create from the first picture some alternatives? And then I have to be specific, because if I say first picture, it says, okay, these 4 pictures, you like it, so they create another 4 pictures. But I want 4 pictures of the picture I like. So then that's picture number 1, upper left, some alternatives. If you like to see how you can create logos, other different kind of cool things with Dall-E integration in ChatGPT, you can watch it via the video over here. But first, continue to watch this video about the new features of ChatGPT. Ah, how cute. It made a mini kind of, it's different, but I just wanted one and I want an alternation of this one. So let's try it one more time. Okay, so okay, thank you. It's always polite to be to AI, but I need 4 alternatives instead of 1. So that's different now. It just starts with creating and then it gives some feedback on it. So like they did here. So it creates this image. That's weird. Here's the alternative images, but it's only just one image, right? Yeah, it's only one image. Here's an alternative image based on your request. Hope the variants capture what we're looking for. Let me know if you okay. Okay, so it does not understand that I want some more alternatives than only one. It did the right thing, that I don't want 2 of it. So that's kind of cool. Now let's see if I copy this and just write here down, create an image using your prompt. So I'm now trying to see if it understands that I'm using its own prompt. And then let's see if it has the same kind of look and feel. So that's sometimes difficult. Then you've created a visual and then you like to create one more because one is mostly not sufficient. This is exactly the same. Then I just prompt this one. Let's see if it creates exactly the same picture. I've tested a lot, of course, and this is the first time that it really creates exactly the same image. Even this, it's correct, or it's the same. It's still the same. I'm impressed. Can you replace the T-Rex with a koala? Ah, how sweet. It created these pictures. Oh, so adoring. A koala. And this one even has some gloves. What? So far, I'm impressed, and it's easy to create it inside ChatGPT. Curious if you're going to use this over Midjourney or other text-to-visual tools. Another new feature of ChatGPT is audio or voice, and now you can have conversations with ChatGPT. So this works now on the phone. You have this icon, the headphones, and then you click on it. Then you see this. And I say, for example, hey, how are you doing? Can you tell me a joke?
Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. Do you enjoy jokes like these?
Yeah, kind of. But can you tell me something short about Napoleon?
Certainly. Napoleon Bonaparte was a French military leader and emperor who conquered much of Europe in the early 19th century. He's known for his role in the Napoleonic Wars and his impact on shaping European political structures. Would you like to know more about a specific aspect of his life or his achievements?
I like to know if there is any connection between a joke and Napoleon.
Ah, interesting. There have been many jokes and humorous anecdotes over the years related to Napoleon, given his iconic status in history. One common joke plays on the misperception about his height. Why did Napoleon keep his hand inside his shirt? Because he didn't trust his buttons. It's a light-hearted way of referencing the classic depiction of Napoleon with his hand tucked into his shirt.
So this is just an example how you can use the audio. You have conversations with it, it can assist you. And as a bonus, you just got everything on text, which is very nice. So this is also a new feature of ChatGPT. I've created also from this video a more in-depth video which you can watch over here. And the last feature is ChatGPT live browsing. So you can go on the internet with ChatGPT. Earlier this year it was available, but then all of a sudden it was away. And now it is here again. I've created a more in-depth video about this feature, which you can watch over here, but first watch it in this video. So ChatGPT live browsing, how can you access it? Well, in the Chat Plus version, you go to this and then you see browse with Bing. Then you hit it and then let's ask it, okay, I like to go to Amsterdam and to Amsterdam. Can you give me a plan in the form of a travel for a hotel, dinner, and a party? Let's see what it gives. So here you see it's browsing. In the earlier versions, you could see what kind of sites it was searching, but now we can't see what it's doing. Time will learn if it's a feature that needs to come back or it's not necessary and it's just the way it is. Okay, so there you have it. It's got a nice overview in a table form and it has some links with it. It took some time to create it, but hey, if you do it yourself, it takes much more time. This is just an example of live browsing that you can use data of today. I've created another video where I show you differences in ChatGPT live browsing, Bing AI, Google Bart, and Google, how you can use data and how it performs versus other platforms, and you can watch it over here. So these are the 4 new features of ChatGPT. You can now go live browsing. You can create images with the Dall-E integration. You can upload an image into ChatGPT and it can help you with problem solving or explaining. And you can now talk and have a conversation with ChatGPT. I think these features are well done and they are a good addition to the package. Time will learn which one we use most and which one is a bit like a gimmick. But for now, I really like them, and I'm curious which one you will use the most in the near future. And if you'd like to learn more about AI for your business or your daily life, you can watch one of these 2 videos. And don't forget to subscribe or like this video. Till the next AI adventure.